Hello, everyone, and thanks for joining me. This upload will be picking bamboo tips in a bamboo forest. Usually, the tips will sprout in the month of May, and I will also show you how to cook with the bamboo.
อุ้ยดูสิเขาหักทิ้งต้อมเอ้ยเสียดาย
อ๋อ
มาต้อมมาทางนี้เดี๋ยวพี่หักทางนี้มาเอาทางนี้โอเคค่ะมาเก็บหน่อไม้กันหน่อไม้ที่อเมริกาค่ะหน่อไม้สวยๆขึ้นแบบสวยๆเลยโอ้ยเขาหักทิ้งกันเยอะเลยน่าเสียดายโอ้ my god
น่าจะมาเรียกพี่บุญ
อ่ะ
มันขึ้นมาตอนไหนอ่ะ เดือนนี้เหรอ
ค่ะขึ้นเดือนนี้ค่ะมันขึ้นยาวจนดูสิต้มมาทางนี้ต้มมาค่ะมา
โอเค
หน่อไม้เยอะๆตัดดีกว่านั่นเย่แล้วก็เนี่ยหน่อเล็กๆเนี่ยสั้นๆอร่อยเดี๋ยวแป๊บนึงโอ้ยขึ้นเต็มเลยก็ตัดทิ้งนี่ค่ะโชว์เลยนี่เอาต้นนี้นี่แล้วนี่ตั้มเข้าป่าไปทางนี้อ่ะดูหมอตัดทิ้งเยอะเสียดายอันนี้มันเล็ก
Let me try to fill my bag up. You want to hear that snap sound when breaking it off? If it's too soft or brown, it's not good. But I haven't come across any yet. Sometimes breaking it off take a little bit of effort, but if you have a knife, it's very easy to get it. There are so many bamboo tips in this forest. Starting to fill my first bag up. You also want to wear gloves. It's a little bit of oil or sap from the bamboo. It's a very dense bamboo forest. If you have the right tools, it's very easy to get the bamboo up.
Okay, Daddy.
It's a beautiful pond right in front of the bamboo forest. If I had time to harvest the bamboo trees, I would probably try to build a little house out of bamboo. Fill my second bag up. And this is how much bamboo tip that we harvest. It's over 100 pounds or 45 kilos. This is how you prepare the bamboo right before you cook it. Cut and peel the outer layer. You also want to remove the tip.
Tipไม่กินเหรอ Tipไม่กินเหรอ
This is what we have after peeling the outer layer of the bamboo. Between the two of us, it took over about an hour for peeling. Now it's time to cook the bamboo. Just place it in a pot with boiling hot water. You can tell when the bamboo is cooked all the way. It's very soft and chewy. This is a lot of bamboo, so we'll probably put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in a freezer. And now we're ready to cook the bamboo. Once you thaw your bamboo, you want to shred it up with a fork. We're making a spicy bamboo stew with the ingredients that we have. Slice some lemongrass, put in a few dry pepper, a little bit of salt, and pound it all up in a mortar. A handful of lemongrass, 2 or 3 dry pepper, a pinch of salt. And you want to pound everything up. And you want to add a little bit of garlic. Want to add a little bit of onions, red onions or white onions, if you have it. Smash it all up. We didn't have any wet, sticky rice, so we're using a spoonful of jasmine rice to give it that thickness, texture in our stew.
The sticky rice. We didn't have any.
We didn't have any pork belly, so we're using this one. Thinly sliced pork. You also want to use Yanang leaves extract. Place everything in a pan or a pot. Using the whole can of extract. You also want to add a half a can of water. And now we're ready to add the lemongrass pepper seasoning. This dish is much better with pork belly or any type of meat that you choose. We only had thinly sliced pork in our refrigerator, so we'll use this instead.
You can add that after. I'm
gonna add some straw mushroom and scallions. Half a can of water also.
Add a little bit of water. Mix it all up. Putting the pala in there, fermented fish.
And you want to
Slow
also
cook it.
add pala. It's a fermented fish sauce. Add to taste, usually about 2 to 3 tablespoons, or more if you like.
Lime leaf?
And you also want to add some bai makut or lime leaf.
ใช้แบบสดแบบแห้งก็ได้
Can use dry or wet or fresh. Dry or fresh. Lime leaf. Lime leaf. Kaffir lime leaf. Magic powder.
Yes, the magic powder.
Yum yum powder. Canal.
It's canal seasoning.
Powder.
You can find this at any Asian supermarket.
Red pepper. Pull the stems out.
Cook it on high temperature. And this is the finished product. You can always add a little bit more pala if you like. This dish is a little bit spicy, but not too bad. The bamboo is very soft and tender. Much more flavor and delicious versus the bamboo that's in the can. And thanks for joining me on this upload. Hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time.